Dear friends, today we see the mathematics of 9th class, paper 2nd, geometry. Chapter number 1st, basic concept in geometry. Dear friends, we know there are so many construct in ancient time like pyramid in Misra. Pyramid in Misra is construct 3000 Christian year era. Then some forts in our India. Then our Taj Mahal. These types of construction is construct in ancient time. How this construction are construct in that time? Means in that time the development of geometry, engineering are developed. So this type of construction are construct. In that time there are so many mathematicians are present like Thales, then in Indian mathematician Varahamihir, Aryabhatta, then Brahmagupta, Maharshi Kanad. This mathematician are give his knowledge time to develop the geometry. So friend, we see the basic concept in geometry. Point, line and plane. Point, line and plane. Like numbers, point, line and plane are undefined. These three concepts we cannot define, so is undefined concept. In this concept, first concept is point. Then point means this point A and known is point A. Then second concept is line. Line means straight line. In our mind, line means straight line. And the example is this, line L. Then plane. Like this, plane. And is plane A. Is plane A. Straight line and plane is the union of points. This line and plane is the union of points. Then student, we see coordinates of points. Coordinate of point and distance. We draw the number line. We draw the number line on blackboard. This 0, 1 unit, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side of the 0 is positive number, then left side of the 0 is negative number, minus 4. This point A, B, C, D, this O, F, G, H and I. Point A denotes minus 4. Point B denotes minus 3. Point C denotes minus 2. Point D denotes minus 1. Point O denotes 0. And right side, point F denote 1. 1 means plus 1. Point G denotes plus 2. Point H denotes plus 3. Point I denotes plus 4. So, minus 4 is the coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A is minus 4. Then coordinate coordinate of point C is -3. Then coordinate of point O is 0. Coordinate of point O is 0. Then coordinate of point F. Coordinate of point F is 1. Similarly, coordinate of point H is 3. 3 means plus 3. 1 means plus 1. Then we find the distance any 2 points. We find the distance any 2 point. Find the distance from any 2 point. That is, suppose we find the distance from point B to D. Find the distance from point B and D. That is, distance BD is equal to distance DB is equal to length BD. All the meaning is same. So first we write the coordinate of point B, then we write the coordinate of point D, then tally these 2 points, and then we find the distance in between 2 points. First we write coordinate of point B is minus, coordinate of point B is -3. Then coordinate of point D is equal to -1. Then -3 and -1, which number is greater than the another number? We know the left side of the number line, the number goes smaller and smaller. Means -3 is less than -1. That is, we write this -3 is less than -1, means -1 is greater than -3. Then distance BD is equal to, greater number is -1 minus smaller number is -3 is equal to -1 minus minus plus 3 is equal to -1 plus 3 plus 2. So distance BD is equal to distance DB is equal to 2. That is, length BD is equal to 2. Then, dear student, we see the betweenness. We see the betweenness. Betweenness. If point P, Q and R are 3 distinct collinear points, then there are 3 possibilities. Then there are three possibilities. To show the betweenness of 3 points P, Q and R. First possibility is possibility first. Point P, point Q and point R. That is distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. That is point Q is in between point P and R. That is point Q is in between point P and R. Then possibility second. Then second possibility. Distance QP plus distance PR is equal to distance QR. That is point P is in between point Q and R. Then possibility is third. Distance distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. That is point P. That is point P is in between point P and Q. Then, dear student, we see the practice set 1.1 on this topic. Q, P, okay. GH, A, B, C, D, find the distance. Distance BE. Distance B and E. We find the distance in between these 2 points. First we write coordinate of point B is equal to 2. 2 means plus 2. Then we write the coordinate. Of point E is equal to 5 means plus 5. Then we tally these two numbers 2 and 5. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 2. Then distance BE. Big number is 5 minus small number is equal to 3. Distance BE is equal to 3. Then we find distance JA. Second example, distance JA. First we write the coordinate of point J. Coordinate of point J is equal to minus 2. Then coordinate of point A is equal to 1. 1 means plus 1. Then minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 is less than plus 1. Then distance JA is equal to, big number is 1 minus small number is minus 2. 1 minus minus plus 2. So distance JA is equal to 3.